what's going on? So today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is When Dumb Criminals Think They Can Outrun Cops. So let's get into the video.
We bring you 4 different suspects who were all dumb enough to think that they could successfully run away from the police. Our first suspect was stopped with his whole family for being caught on cameras stealing from various stores at a mall.
Oh, you see me behind you, bro? What you driving for? Cut the car off.
All right. Ain't no problem.
We already took care of everything.
Put the key on top of here, man. Right up here. No. Put the key up here. Not right now.
Like, can we talk about why you pulling us over?
Put the key on top of here. I'll let you know.
Why you pulling us over?
As soon as you put the key up here, I'm gonna communicate everything with you.
All right, when I put this key up here, I'm stepping out.
No, I don't want you to step out yet.
I'm not putting the key up there.
All right, cool. That's cool. So y'all detained right now for a theft investigation. All right.
Okay.
So that's what you're detained for.
Yeah, we got a receipt. Like we got.
That's cool. We'll figure that out. But when I'm trying to pull you over and you keep driving, then I can't let you know what's up.
Okay.
All right. So I'm asking you to put the keys up here, please.
The officers gather the suspect's personal information and learn that he has an active warrant in addition to the theft he committed today.
Go ahead, all right, Javi, I'm gonna have you go ahead and step out and step right here into this crack. All right, we're gonna detain you in handcuffs. You got possible warrant for your arrest. Yo, stand right here for me. All right. Hold on. Chill out, bro. Chill out. Get on the ground. Get on the ground right now. Lay down. Right now. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Right now. Get on the ground. Put the hands behind your back, bro. Strong suit, man.
Hey, don't bring your ass over here. Stay back.
Get a second here, bro. You were silly, dude.
What you running for, dog?
He was really about to get away.
There ain't no need for this, real life.
Yeah, all right.
You ran and you squared up. What did you think was gonna happen, dog?
You bugging.
Yes, you did. What you take your shirt off for?
We had one.
I can get up now.
We got him detained. Break 106.
The male suspect was arrested for traffic-related warrants, on top of theft, attempt to elude an officer, and resisting arrest. When this next suspect also gets caught while running from the police for shoplifting, her meltdown is way more intense.
That way. Okay, what does she look like? She's on foot. She's a black girl, checks her pants, white jacket. She's right on foot. Okay. In a bag. She stole from her. Okay.
What you think you doing? Like, oh,
Hey, no! You! Taser! Get on the ground. You on the ground. Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back! Give me your hands!
So we just need to cuff her.
Yeah. Oh, this my gut's really bad!
some officers weak, man. The two, I think it was 2 female officers that was first there, like, they weak, bro. Like the criminal was giving them the beats. Like, you hear me? Like, yeah, like, it's crazy, bro. Come on, man. And then I want to go back to the first video real quick, man. You know what? Some people may look at like how the officer were talking, like the black officers or whatever, but sometimes it's good to have like officers that could kind of relate, you know, to the street guys, like, cause you know what I mean? Because it just makes it easier. Like I feel like people sometimes like it didn't happen in that scenario, right? The guy took off running because he got a warrant and stuff like that. But sometimes a guy who is a little bit more relatable would be more open to talking to that officer than somebody like, you know, that don't look, act, nothing like that. You know what I mean? Can't really relate. They don't really, you know what I mean? They not clicking. You know what I'm saying? If you know what I'm saying, you know. But yeah, let's continue.
She's a fighter.
Let's roll over this side.
No. I'm not doing nothing. What the
Listen. This one of your guys.
It's fine, thanks.
No!
I don't know
This
what
week,
my
yeah.
Okay, I can't get off of my foot. Wait, you
Are you good?
Was this worth the fireball that you stole?
I didn't steal him. I gave him back to her. Man, come on now. Y'all lame as fuck. I gave him back to her. Y'all know that.
Search her at all?
No.
Oh my God. Y'all really gonna lie?
Do you guys want to try setting her up and searching her if she's going to be...
Yeah.
Here, I'll hold it.
We'll get her up and just search her and...
I'm not gonna run or nothing. Y'all don't have to do all of that.
You got wrapped up in the cartridge here?
There's two.
Yeah, I got one here.
No!
Stop.
Calm down.
Calm down.
You said you were gonna...
It's over with now. It's over with now.
Yeah, the act is over. Like, what are you doing? You ain't crying for real. Like, let's go.
Stop pulling my arms so tight.
Nope.
You're the one moving your arm, man.
Get off my arm.
Step up. There you go. There you go.
This next suspect tries to run away from an officer while supposedly hiding a gun during a traffic stop. The result? A 13-man search party and a SWAT team arrest.
License and insurance, no front plate, yours too.
My license?
Yeah. You think I just can see you all swap seats? The tints are dark, they're not that dark. Anything in the car I gotta worry about? Why are you afraid to let me see who you are?
Who?
Is your license no good? Do me a favor, don't be reaching.
I got you.
Hands on the dash. Man, put your hands on the steering wheel. Alright? Keep your hands on the dash, man, keep your hands on the steering wheel. Take a deep breath and tell me right now, is there anything in this car I gotta worry about? Ain't nothing. You understand, from my perspective, you're switching seats, you look nervous, you got a lot of cash, you're trying to keep me from seeing whatever's on the left side of your body. So don't reach, do not reach.
I'm sorry.
Stay up there.
Ain't nothing over here.
Alright? Just chill. Alright? So you're sure there's nothing in this car I need to know about?
Hey, you better not reach, boy. You know that boy itching now. Don't reach, boy. Hey, if you reach, you put your head down there, boy. We might have to see you in the afterlife, my boy. You back? Hey, be easy now.
Alright, if it's something little, we can work with it. Okay. Your license
Why
is
you
good, or do you
lying?
just not have one? You don't have a license. Okay. Do you think it's worth driving if you don't have a license? All right. Why don't we have a license? Did you ever take one? Did you ever get it revoked? Nothing like that. Okay. If that's all it is, man. If that's all it is, I'll tell you right now, man. You don't go to jail for that. I mean, you get a court date, but you don't go to jail.
You good. You can run the license. You can run her license.
Okay.
You good.
All right. We're just chilling right now because there's a lot of weird stuff going on in this car, so I'm just waiting for the second unit to come. All right. So just take a deep breath. We'll be all good. All right, so let's get off to a weird start. The reason I'm stopping the car is A, the tints look dark, and B, you ain't got a front license plate. All right? All right, so what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you step out. Keep your hands up when you step out. No,
It's
no,
over.
oh, no, okay. All right. All right. Keep the hands up, all right? All the way up, all the way up, all the way up. Hands all the way up. Second, 31, hold the air. Man running. Appears to have a gun reaching for his waistband. We're going to be going eastbound.
He left him. That boy out.
Hey! Pie it. Yo, hey, hands up! Keep on lethal.
Why would he trap himself in there like that? Come on now.
Yo.
He done. He hurt. And that taser.
We're behind the
ain't-
building. He's still reaching.
2 officers pin down the suspect behind some dumpsters, but wait for backup before approaching. He was holding his waistband as he fled from officers, which could have been a sign of him having a weapon on him.
You got cover? As he gets closer?
K9's here, guys. All right, can you come over here by my partner right here, by this red SUV? We have eyes on the guy. He's just sitting out with his hands up. He's got his jacket in his right arm.
Lorenzo, listen or we're letting go of the dog!
Let me see both your hands. Come up. Back up. Keep backing up. If you don't stop, the dog's gonna bite you. Keep backing up. He's right here. Keep backing up.
Oh, good boy.
Hands up. No, keep backing up. Yep.
All the way up! Get him all the way up, Lorenzo!
Get him all the way up.
Oh yeah, that's lit, boy.
I'm not moving. I'm not resisting.
While the suspect didn't have any weapons on him, he was arrested for driving with a revoked license and attempting to elude an officer. When this last suspect crashed his vehicle after attempting to flee from police, he thought it would be a good idea to try and run from...
Hold on. So either one or two things happened. One, when he was running, he ditched whatever he had, because there's really no reason for you to run. Because if you getting arrested for revoked license and eluding, that means you ain't have no warrants or anything like that. So why run? Like, it doesn't even, it don't make no sense. So he probably did have some stuff on him. Maybe not a gun, but maybe drugs or something like that. And he was able to ditch it real quick, and they didn't find it. So he ended up lucking out on that. I ain't gonna lie.
Over 13 officers chasing after him. Here's how that went for him.
Oh yeah, he out. Come on. Oh, partner pass. Oh! My boy slowing down now. Hold up. Okay. Oh, G running. Oh, dang. My boy almost fell. Hold on.
You're talking, breather. Brother, you're taking the phone right now. I love you, babe. Hold it down. Oh.
Hold it down.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you. No FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.